everyone, super fun video for you today. I hope. I'm taking my 2019 Porsche 911 Carrera T on a snowboarding trip down from New Jersey all the way up to Mount Snow, Vermont. The tricky part is that Vermont is supposed to get about a foot of snow, and I'm driving on a set of brand new all-season tires. So they're not winter tires, they're all seasons, but I'm hoping that with the added weight in the back, I should be fun. Otherwise, it's gonna make for a very fun video. But anyways, to prep for this trip, I installed a roof box, which is absolutely killer looking on this 911, and it's very functional. I put all my gear in there. I'm picking up a friend of mine. We're gonna put his gear in there, so it's gonna be great. And I installed my set of TLG mud flaps, which will protect the sides of my precious depreciating asset. But anyways, I hope you enjoy this quick clip, and I hope we don't get stuck, although I kind of do. Maybe it'll make for a very fun content. Anyways, enjoy this clip. Isn't it nice to have friends who are willing to drive you up there? Alright, and we got here, what maybe 4 hours of driving. We stopped an hour to eat. There's no snow, but hopefully there's going to be a foot overnight. So, ladies and gentlemen, it is the next morning. We got about 8 inches of snow, and it's still snowing. You can see the roads are plowed. See, the cars are driving pretty fast, but the snow is coming down pretty hard. The most difficult thing is that this is my car. So I was gonna chicken out and take the shuttle, but you know what? As my friend says, no balls, no glory. We're driving. Parking lot, traction control fully off, all season tires, so let's see how they handle. Oh my god, so much traffic. Holy smokes, let's see if we can move now. No one's behind us. There we go, after this, we're going, ladies and gentlemen. Nope, we gotta go. Alright, so we're getting stuck. Let's see, after this. Nope. I gotta use momentum. Let's see, after this. Alright. Alright, come on. Almost. We'll plow it out. Well, this will be tricky. Oh shit, we can't even get out of the driveway. Nope. Yeah. Woo! Okay, we didn't capture it on video, but it took us some time to get out of the driveway. It was a steep incline, but we got out of it. I don't think the snow tires would have helped us, but I'm feeling a lot of shaking because there's a lot of snow in between the wheels, wheel spokes. I'm also worried about what's gonna happen once we get to the top and there's a little hill to get to the mountain. And these are the road conditions. That's what we're dealing with, ladies and gentlemen. I mean, there is what appears to be sand or salt, so it might not be too bad actually. Okay, I see a lot of Tacomas. I don't see any 911s, especially rear-wheel drive ones. Oh snap. So getting out of here, I'm realizing it's gonna be very tricky. It's okay, we have a tiny shovel in the trunk. Oh my gosh. But honestly, even with all-season tires, once you kind of get out of that little incline, it feels pretty solid. Look, I can turn fine, I can get going, I can stop when I want to. So it's not too bad at all. The car is low, so I'm definitely scraping, but we knew that coming in. Oh, this will be embarrassing if I got stuck over here. Okay, we're going uphill in the parking lot. I'll just take the easy way out, park next to these guys. Woo! We did it! And we're parked. Woo! Who needs a better car? Look, you're surrounded by SUVs. SUVs, 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 SUVs. Every single car is an SUV. Every single car. Except that little one. And this yellow one. Well, I think it's gonna be a good day. What do you think, Lucas?
Hell yeah. What a good day, I'm not gonna lie. Easter egg from somebody. Good thing I have PPF.
And this goes to show you that you can still use all-season tires on a Porsche 911. And check this out. Usually, everything gets plowed right away. So yes, we're leaving the parking lot and there's snow on it. But on the road, you can see the asphalt. No big deal. One last thing before we head for the day. Check this out. TLG mud flaps. Look how clean the side of the car is. I'm going to show you on the other side so people don't judge me. Look, check this out. This side of the car, because of my invention right there. Ah, super clean. How many of you have done this? Driving at night looking for parking lots so you can whip donuts? 60, all right, that's it. No more.
That was funny.
win. I hope this video demonstrated to you the fact that you can indeed drive all-season tires in the snow in your Porsche 911 and not get stuck because of the extra weight being the engine in the back. So don't believe all the online deniers who always recommend winter tires. Those people have never tried all-season tires. The proof is in the pudding, and the pudding is the video that I just put together for you. Another cool thing is the fact that my TLG mud flaps have protected the side of my pressure depreciating asset. Yes, there is still some spray on the side, but not as much as it would have been without the mud flaps. So if you want your set, get it. I'm going to link it down in the description below. Aside from that, 480 miles that I've done, I've averaged 23 miles to the gallon, and with the roof box, it's not too bad at all. And with the roof box, allegedly, you could go 120 miles an hour, allegedly, and still be fine and not experience a lot of wind noise, allegedly. Again, so if that's your cup of coffee, so be it. But anyways, I had a lot of fun. It was nice hanging out with my friend Lucas. I'm so glad we got a foot and a half of snow, and I hope you enjoyed this this video. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. But as always, thank you very much for watching, and I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye-bye.
Oh man, it looks sick.
Manual